Are you happy? Tough question, isn't it? We may have the impulse to say yes, but after a few seconds of thinking, that yes might be turning into a maybe, and eventually into a no. Why does this happen? Why are we so insecure about our goals and objectives? Well, we tend to live in the past, blaming it for our failures and disappointments. We use it as an excuse for not doing better, for not improving. But the past is nothing but a memory. What happened doesn't define what happens from now on. We need to let go and build something better. Something we'd actually feel proud when we get to look back.